president.
Yo, Raven,
An
this
ambitious
your boy
but
Z.
erratic young New York lawyer.
I'm a big fan of yours.
Aaron Burr
I
ran with him.
watched you since you
It
were
was one of the
a young girl
dirtiest elections
on
in
the Cosby
American
Show,
history.
and now
The Federalist savage Jefferson, wherever
I
and
watched you
whenever
on
they
Not
could.
So Raven present.
The election of
And
any man avowing the principles of
Put it like this.
justice.
It's okay to be sick. You're sick. I'm sick too, no problem. You know. But maybe one day maybe you should like chill someday, whatever, you know. Stop, whatever. One date, you know. But there's something that I want to tell you. I've wrote you in the past and you haven't wrote me back. Would you please let me back, because I haven't, because no celebrity has ever wrote me before, and I would like that to happen one day. So can you please write me back? Please, I'm a big fan of yours. Thank you. Cambridge, Fort Myers, College.